Hello, I'm Dr. Amy Mercovich, posture expert and chiropractor, and today's posture tip is about strengthening your neck muscles. And what we're going to do are some isometric neck exercises. A couple things I want to point out first. The first thing is that your range of motion and flexibility is actually more important, in my opinion, than the strength. So you want to make sure that you're doing your neck range of motion exercises, and there's other videos for that. And then secondly, you want to have good alignment. And that is also more important, I believe, than the strength. And that means you want your ear up over your shoulder. You want to be keeping your chin away from your chest most of the time. And again, there's lots of videos on habits of using devices and that to keep your chin up more of the time. But what we're going to do now are neck isometric strengthening exercises. And the very simple, quick, safe way to do it is just what I'm going to do now, and you can follow along. We're going to push into our hand without moving your neck. So what I'm doing is pretending I'm trying to flex my neck, but not letting my head actually move. You want to do it about 5 seconds really hard so you're kind of shaking. And then you come to the back of your head like you're trying to look up. So again, I'm pushing like I'm trying to look up really hard. I'm using my hand to resist. And then tipping each way, so you're going to put your hand here, bending like I'm trying to tilt my ear to my shoulder. Again, about 5 seconds each way. Other side. And then rotation is the last one. You're going to put your hand on your cheek and you're trying to turn your head, but again, you're using that resistance. And the other way. And then I recommend doing about 3 rounds, and you can change it up slightly on the flexion and extension on rounds 2 and 3. And that would be by putting your hand off to the side and focusing more on one direction. So instead of just going straight back, if I have my hand more to the side and I push into my hand that direction, I'm going to focus a little more on one side of the neck, and then you can do the other side of the neck. And again, I'm trying to look up and back. And same with flexion on the 2nd or 3rd round. You can focus more on a side, so you're trying to go down that way and resisting, and trying to go down that way and resisting. So safe, quick, effective, getting some neck strength just to, on purpose now and then, work the neck muscles rather than it just being your body carrying the weight of your head around all the time. There you have it.